So that is all I have for this time. I'm enjoying more and more coming on live on Substack. I'm starting to learn how to use the text and stuff. So if you find this video and it is loud and you feel like what I can't hear, then it's a good news. So if it's loud and busy, then use this noise to practice quiet, to practice to breathe quietly and find yourself in this chaos. So thank you so much for joining in. I will share this video on Notes and on Substack. Bye. Happy Monday. Have a great one.